Good afternoon, everybody. My name is John Stovall with MarineMax Lake Lanier, and finally sunny, nice January weather. Really enjoy being out here now. Hopefully all that's behind us, but I want to show you a boat that is not so cold, which is the new G5 from Sylvan. Now, if you notice right off the bat, the tubes are painted. These are painted aluminum tubes to match the exterior of the boat, and when this thing is in the water, it is absolutely gorgeous. Now, these tubes, these welds are done really well. This is a 25-foot boat. All these are done by hand. It is a beautiful weld. Nice lifting, splash shields, lifting strakes all throughout. And this is a full-length tritoon as well with the beautiful pearl white exterior, docking lights, and pop-up cleats. Now let's climb aboard and I'm gonna show you some stuff inside. First thing we're gonna notice, huge front loungers. Look how thick the cushions are. And look how nice they have pointed everything. Recessed cup holders, recessed speakers, and also the double hinge boxes here, so they come out a little bit and up, so you get a ton of access to your storage boxes. They're also vinyl wrap seat bases, and the storage boxes are sealed off, so anything you put in there is going to stay dry. Moving back, you got your in-floor storage. This is a full-length center tritoon, so tons of storage there. Storage in your helm. The table's in there right now, and then you have your changing station here built in. Nice, easy access. Easy out of the way. Side gate on the G5. The gates on the front of the boat are 30-inch gates. These are standard 24s. Flip up bolsters on these super comfortable helm seats with fold-up armrests. Raised helm, Simrad glass dash, all your switches off to the side. This boat is a Yamaha powered boat with the electronic controls. Boat runs amazing, powered by a 300. This is a aluminum hardtop with the bimini that folds out, tow point, and tower speakers. Moving back, we'll get to this in a second, but on the starboard side of the boat, you have a nice galley console with a freshwater system. I really like this because most of the time this is unused space in a pontoon. This gives you a little bit extra storage, a little bit extra usability. Now, the big deal about this boat is this is the dual swing back model that they have. So you've got your swing back here, and you have a swing back here. Table goes in there with the legs, but for this purpose, we'll just show you, creates one big sun pad. It is super comfortable. There's storage underneath everything. You have your controls, stereo controls, things like that, battery charger, all here so you can hang out. On the G, you get the nice, thick, powder-coated black rails, so you can ride back here while you're in the way with the integrated ski tow bar. And again, Yamaha 300, lily pad ladder. Thank you so much for coming out here today. Really hope to see you soon, and if you want to see us on the website or see this boat in particular, www.marinemax.com. Thank you.